August 27th. Here's what moved. DeepSeek V4 Flash 0731 just took number 1 on OpenRouter. 3 cents per million tokens. MIMO. V2.5 drops to second. Ollama downloads down 129% this week. Sponsors /GyulyVGC is trending on GitHub. 144 stars today. Ollama on Docker, up 45%. GPT-5.6 Sol climbed 4 ranks, from 14th to 10th. At Anthropic AI/SDK on NPM, up 69%. New research, VBVR-Pro, a scalable and verifiable suite for native visual reasoning. Codeium.codeium on vscode, downloads down 100%. TCH on crates, downloads up 43%. That's the briefing. Every number links to its source. Gawk.dev.